All right, in this unit, we're going to be covering systems of equations. System of equations is typically when you have two or more equations with two or three or many unknowns that we are trying to solve for to see when they match up to solve the equation. And a lot of times we get stuck into x's, y's, and z's and whatnot. And I notice here you have p's and d's, but I want to relate this to a problem that might make more sense. So we're going to talk about some math nerds going out for pizza, and one group brought 4 slices of pizza and a drink for $10.50. The other one brought 2 slices and 2 drinks for $7.50. So here's written in an equation form, and I'm going to use this equation form just because it's a little bit shorter. But anytime you do a system of equations, make sure you understand what the variables stand for. Again, too often I feel like we just kind of get caught up into here's x, here's y, and call it a day. And we really want to know what are those variables, the x, y's, in this case, p's and d's, what do they stand for? So the variable p and d here, this p is the price of a slice of pizza, and d is the price of a drink. Not how many drinks, it's just the price of the drink. So we have 2 drinks at a certain price is $7.50, or 2 drinks at a certain price and 2 slices turns out $7.50. So what if we claim 8 slices and 2 drinks cost $21? Pause the video for a second, see where I came up with that one from. So hopefully you took a minute to think about this. If 4 slices and a drink cost $10.50, the problem up here, and we just had 2 orders of that, 8 slices of pizza plus 2 drinks, we just doubled that order, that's where we get $21 from. All right, pretty straightforward. Different way of thinking about it, but hopefully pretty straightforward. Using that same kind of concept, take a minute, pause the video, and see if you can do C and D. All right, so if you took a minute, pause the video, try to figure out where this comes from. 6 slices and 3 drinks, well, what happens if we just combine this entire order and just buy this all at once? Notice we have 6 slices and 3 drinks is $18. And yeah, that's exactly where this comes from. You just add the 2 equations. So it's another thing that we can do. So notice we were able to double one equation, add the 2 equations. What about 1 slice and 1 cup? Well, could we, if we can double these equations, couldn't we just cut this one in half? Right, this 2p and 2d equation. So again, yes, this is just 1/2 of the second equation. So I'm using this example so you can see how you can manipulate these different types of questions. So if 4 slices of drink is $10.50, and we take away 1 slice and 1 drink, which we know is $3.75, what do you now know? We now know that 3 slices of pizza is $6.75. How? So again, keep in mind, 4 slices and a drink is $10.50. We take away 1 slice from here, we have 3 slices. We take away a drink, we don't have any drinks. And now we have this. Well, once we have 3 slices of pizza, $6.75, we now know the slice of pizza is $2.25. And if we know a slice of pizza is $2.25, and combined a slice and a drink is $3.75, we know that a drink is going to be $1.50. So again, you notice from this problem, I was doing a lot of this just mental math, working through this problem in a understanding way, not in a rule sort of way. So we are going to come up with some rules later on. But keep in mind that those rules are based with this concept in mind, where you can double things, cut them in half, add equations, take away equations. And the truth is, it's not that hard. Don't get caught up into it. Keep this concept in mind. 2 or more functions, we are solving for a solution. That's what we're looking for when we have a system of equations. Now I'll cross out the R more. We're going to be doing just 2 equations, okay, or 2 functions. The solution is where they intersect. So if you look at something like this, let's say you want to know, well, what's the solution to this system? Well, it's going to be -1, -5. So we can look at these things both graphically within this unit. We can look at them like we did here, where we, in a sense, manipulate them, we can also solve them. So for right now, we're just looking at manipulation as well as taking a look at the graph. So hopefully this makes sense, and good luck.